Why settle for less when you can optimize your OutSystems resources footprint? By optimizing now, you secure readiness for tomorrow's challenges. Our resource utilization assessment helps you plan for the future and sets the stage for sustainable growth. Starting with the alignment of the scope of the assessment, we can go from one app to the all-factory. Our expert team will analyze the code, logs, and data volume to recommend the appropriate change. This will consider the performance and maintainability impacts based on the current criticality and volatility of the target applications. The assessment will provide you 3 main deliverables: one action plan with a comprehensive guide of the proposed changes, a quote and timeline to implement the proposed action plan, and a summary of the projected resource savings. This will enable you to decide how and when to take the recommended actions. You can get a quote now by clicking on this link. Start your journey of growth today.